Okay, here now with Doug Morton. He's the Vice President of Sales for Eleet Cryogenics. Doug, what's new in 2024 with Eleet?
Well, one of the things that's real new with us, we just had a press release last week, is we're the exclusive provider for cryo-equipped vaporizers for the United States and Canada. So 5, 10, 20, 30, 50,000 cubic foot an hour vaporizers. We're stocking them in Ohio at our facility down in Texas, as well as on the West Coast in Southern California.
Very good. And what would be something that you could say the GAWDA distributors would be excited to hear from you about?
Well, one thing I would say the Scorpion is a unit that we have extra inventory right now, so we've actually just reduced prices on these. And so we just sold 3 of them to a distributor recently, and we have 9 of them on the ground. So this is something that we're getting aggressive to move them. And so I would say that's a special right now.
All right, well, better hop on it. So last thing we're gonna do here, we're gonna pull in the folks from Dell Oxygen. Come on in, guys.
Come on in.
And so Eleet is known for giving away guns at the GAWDA shows, which is killer, man. People get excited about the guns. So the winner of the gun this year is Andrew Stoutenauer. Did I say that right?
You said that right.
Andrew Stoutenauer from Dell Oxygen. He's gonna give an acceptance speech now. Here you go, Andrew. What do you think?
Well, hey, thank you, Doug. I appreciate this and everything that Eleet does for us.
Excellent.
There you go.
Evan, you want to say anything at all?
Yeah, likewise. It's been a great GAWDA event so far, well attended, and appreciation to Eleet for the partnership we've had for the years, and congratulations to Andrew.
All right.
Congratulations,
hey, thanks, Doug.
guys.
Very
Thank
good.
you very much.
All right. Thank you, guys.
All right, thank you.
All right.